Welcome to the vibrant and transformative realm of G Skin and Beauty Institute, where the convergence of creativity and expertise sets the stage for an exhilarating journey into the diverse fields of advanced skincare, laser aesthetics, cosmetology, and more. At G Skin and Beauty Institute, we're not just educators, we are architects of transformation. We're a haven where you'll discover the boundless possibilities of beauty and self-expression. Here, creativity meets expertise, passion meets skills, and dreams meet reality.
You're always learning more in the industry, but making sure you have a school that fits those needs and builds a good foundation is really important.
Sometimes people just need a hand and they just need to be led. There's a lot of people that support you.
My favorite part of the beauty industry is that it's ever-changing, ever-evolving. Right when you think you're about to get bored, there's always something new to learn. And it's a field that if you love education and you love to learn, this is the industry for you.
Today marks the beginning of your transformative journey, and we're thrilled to have you with us. You are about to embark on a journey that will not only refine your skills, but also unlock your artistic potential. As you navigate through the curriculum, remember that beauty is not just skin deep. It's about understanding the unique features that make each individual special. It's about enhancing and celebrating diversity. And it's about creating moments of joy and self-discovery for your client. As you step into the exciting world of G Skin and Beauty Institute, envision a comprehensive experience that goes beyond conventional education. Our campuses, strategically located across Illinois, Nevada, and Arizona, boast state-of-the-art facilities designed to provide you with an environment that nurtures both your skills and creativity. It's not just about learning, it's about flourishing in an atmosphere where individuality is celebrated and collaboration thrives. Step into our classrooms where education is not a solitary pursuit, but a collaborative and engaging experience. You're not just a student, you're an integral part of a community that values individuality, fosters collaboration, and creates an environment where everyone can thrive.
Hello, I'm Kay Misher, Director of Financial Aid at G Skin and Beauty Institute. I lead a team of qualified financial aid advisors who are here to assist you along your educational journey. We realize that questions about paying for your education can be challenging. Thankfully, when you become part of the G Beauty family, we will assign a dedicated financial aid advisor to you that will help you through every step of determining your potential eligibility. Each student will receive personalized counseling about all of their eligibility options, including how to access the federal student aid program. Financial aid is available to those who qualify. And while deciding how to pay for your education can be scary, our team is ready and waiting to guide you through this process. We look forward to seeing you on campus soon.
Join us on this exciting journey where education becomes a memorable experience. G Skin and Beauty Institute is not just a school. It's your pathway to a vibrant future in the dynamic world of beauty and self-expression. Embrace the endless possibilities that lie ahead as you become part of a community that celebrates your unique journey and helps you carve out your success story. Let the transformation begin.